Hey guys, Jenna here with Canyon Adventure Vans. So I just want to show you, if you have our bed risers and you decide to order the mattress, you're going to need extenders in order to attach your bed riser to, your bolster to the bed riser. So you're going to take one of the straps, and you can see that there's two heads at one end and one at the other. You're going to take the double head and you're going to snap it into the already existing snap on the bolster, like so. Then you're going to go into your bed riser and you're going to wrap this around and you're going to snap it into the second snap, like so. And you're going to do it on this end and the other end, both on the passenger side and the driver's side. And this will hold your bolsters in place when you're off-roading in the wilderness.